welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. And if you haven't been paying attention, we are 12 subscribers away from 2,000. It took me forever, literally just YouTube told me that I've been on YouTube for 5 years, and where have we gotten? I don't know, but it's definitely been a journey. As you guys know, at 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a big giveaway. I put a poll on my community tab. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Just asking what you guys would want. If you guys would want makeup, skincare, mix of both, or a gift card. I feel like a gift card will be a little bit more inclusive to those that do not wear makeup. So yeah, make sure you check that out. But today, I'm going to be going over my all-time favorite highlighters. You guys know I like a little glow. I do. I love a highlight. I'll highlight the brow bone, bridge of my nose, cheeks. I love a really good highlight. And if you're ever wondering what highlight I'm using, I know sometimes I don't say it. Chances are it's one of these. So if you guys are ready to get into it, keep on watching. Why I decided to wear long sleeve today, no idea. That was dumb, but maybe I can roll up a little bit, give you guys a little something. Attempt to give you guys some swatches, but let's get started. I'm going to go with, unfortunately, a lot of these are old, very old. Once I find something I like, I use it forever. And with highlighters, a little bit goes a long way, like a very, very long way. So some I've had till they discontinued. Anyway, the most recent highlight that I bought is the Physician Formula Butter Highlight. This is in Champagne. It's just gorgeous. I had it a long time ago. You guys saw in my unboxing that I saw it and I was like, you know what? I have to buy this again because it's so, first of all, it's so affordable. It is like butter, for real. And it's just absolutely blinding. Just one pass on my finger. I know, I realize that if I try to show you guys zoomed in, my camera just gonna say, go fuck yourself. So, here we go. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Again, for this one, a little bit goes a long way. It's absolutely so, it's so smooth. I can't, if you've never tried it, try it. Physician Formula, their butter highlight. I know they have a butter blush. It's just so good. Absolutely one of my favorites of all time. It's intense. Okay, and Champagne is more like a gold champagne, but not too yellow. A highlighter that I have here also that's very similar but not as intense. I'm actually wearing it right now. It is from the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. All that. It's a face palette. And the highlighter in here doesn't have a name, but this is in their medium tan. And it's just so, so pretty. Let's cover that up. Here we are. So the highlighter is here. So it has more of like a red undertone opposed to like a more yellow golden, but it's so, so pretty. And again, it is more muted, as you guys can see on the face, than the butter highlight from Physician Formula. I'm just gonna try to swatch it for you guys. Ooh, it's so nice. Unfortunately, I do not have, here we go. So you can see the difference. This one has more like a red undertone, rose gold type thing going on, and I do have red undertones, so rose gold highlights definitely look really, really nice on me. It's not good for everyone, but you can definitely make it work. This one is one of those that you can make it work. I have a Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion highlight that I just realized was discontinued. I had to double check for you guys. And their rose gold one, that was, well, it's not even rose gold. It's more like pink and pale. Definitely really looks good on anyone with red undertones. It could look a little ashy on anyone a little bit darker or like has deeper yellow undertones. So just be mindful of that. But look how these two are very pretty. But it's not, I'm telling you, this one for the Pure Cosmetics palette is not as blinding. I do have it on right now, and I love it so much. So much. I think everything is old. I apologize, y'all. But some more highlights in here. I'm not going to swatch these because there's quite a bit. This is a Ofra Mini Mix palette, good to go. And they have all of the lights as the highlight in the middle. Then they have Ambition and Gold. So this is Gold and this is Ambition. You can use them as shimmers as well, like up here. Just the way that the formula is, you could use them as like shimmers and highlights. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not gonna swatch these. A few of these you can see they have one for, I think this has something for everyone. Again, if you're a lighter, you have red undertones, this pink would definitely look nice. This one here, these two have like more red undertones, the other two have more like yellow. It's just, here we go. It would have been blurry. It's just really, really nice. It gives you variety. I believe I got this in like a BoxyCharm. I don't know if you can buy it separately, but I do know that Ofra does have really, really nice blinding highlights. And I'm sure that these are on, a few of them are on their website. I apologize if guys, they're really nice though. Next, I have a loose highlight. So this is from ColourPop. This is their loose powder highlight in Boomin'. This was originally from the Makeup Shayla X ColourPop collection. Why do I still have it? Because loose highlights last forever. They last forever. I literally have to go in with the tiniest bit. Like I put some in the cap. I want to swatch it for you guys, but I'm scared. Put some in the cap, and then when I say blinding, it's absolutely gorgeous. There's another one, I don't know where it is. I probably gave it away. It's more deep, like gold. This one is again similar. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Similar to the Champagne. Okay, so there's some on my hand already. So let's just, who's calling me? Don't. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to get, oh my days. Let me tell you how I'm making the biggest mess ever. Okay, so sometimes I flip it over because loose highlights, even with like glitters, I like to open it with some coming in the cap, but it's so pigmented, it's so rich. This is look at that. Look at that. Absolutely blinding. It's so nice. This works on, I feel like it works on just about everybody because it's just that gorgeous. And you can obviously build up the intensity, use a little bit, or go a little bit heavier, but it's so pretty. Again, I don't know if it still exists, but I'm sure that they probably have some of their loose highlights comparable to this. But loose highlighters, always remember, I have another one. Sorry, I do have another loose highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the mess that I have made is terrible. But yeah, so you can see this is really, really intense. More of the yellow, loose highlights. Take your time. It's like a black eyeshadow. Take your time because it's going to be insane. Like the pigment, it's like loose shadows too. Like they're super pigmented. Take your time. Build it up if you have to, because once you build it up, it's not so bad muting like a highlight. You can go in with your foundation brush, foundation powder, kind of, calm it down. Relax. But as you can see from these three swatches, absolutely insane. So I guess this is 6 highlights I'm going to show. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. This is the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion. This one is the gold one. The other one, I don't know the numbers, but it doesn't even matter now. They're discontinued. I saw them on eBay, but I don't know why they discontinued it. I went to their website to see what highlights they have. I don't see anything good. Like, I don't know why they would just get out of this, but it's the gold one. As you can see, I use it a lot. I use it a lot. It's beautiful. Can we swatch it? And it lasts so long. Oh my god, these are like the prettiest. So look at that. Look how intense that highlight is. It's gorgeous. I have no idea why they would discontinue it. I'm gonna say that they're losers because I don't know the real reason, but it's just so pretty. I'm sorry, but it's so good. Ugh, I don't know, y'all, but look how beautiful these highlights are. Ugh, it's so nice. And just the last highlight, it's a quick video just to give you guys some of my favorites. I should have done this a long time ago. I don't know, I haven't. The last one that is also discontinued, I apologize, but there's some good news about this one. There is. This is the Nomad Cosmetics Studio 54 highlight in Hot Shot. Exactly how it looks here. You guys know. Look how abused this is. This is one of my favorite highlights for anything creative. Anytime I just want a little, it's like a pink purple iridescent highlight. I absolutely love it. I use this so much. I think I hit like hard pan sometimes with my brush, but look how beautiful. And we're just gonna swatch it right here. I apologize for, sorry. It's so pretty. It's so different from the other highlights on my hand, but I absolutely use this one a lot. Anytime I'm like, okay, we're gonna put a little color on the face, I'm gonna use this. Blue eyeshadow, I'm using this. Pink, purple, using this. It's so pretty. I love it. Even when I use it on clients, like I know I used it on Shayna and she loved it so much, but this was before discontinued. But look at that, y'all. Woo. So these are the 5 that I swatched. These are definitely my top 5. They're beautiful. Love them to death. So much I'm killing them. But with these Studio 54 Hot Shot highlight from Nomad Cosmetics, also this look, is a Nomad Cosmetics palette look, like the entire eye look, all Nomad Cosmetics. It is from one palette that's perfect for fall. We'll probably get a tutorial on this later if you want. Just let me know in the comments, but I love Nomad Cosmetics. But this highlight, I originally got it in, like I was on like their PR list, and then I got an email that was being discontinued. I bought like 6. I bought 6 of them, and I'm not even finished with my original one. Look at that. Did you see that? Paid actor, y'all. This is a paid actor. I not even finished with one. So for the first, let's say 3 people to comment that they want one, I will send it to you because I just feel like it's such a beautiful highlight that it's sad and it is a tragedy, a travesty that you guys are not able to experience it, because look how fucking pretty it is. So first 3 people to comment, I want one, I'll send it to you. I'll try to reach out and get your Instagram, or you can hit me up on Instagram afterwards, I guess. I don't know. Just figure it out. Well, we will figure it out together. But I have a bunch of these, and for the first 2 people, I will send it to you. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about anything, because this is my favorite highlight of all time. That's it. And that's it for the video. So guys, comment down below what your favorite highlights are. Do you still highlight? Do you like a more toned down, or do you like the really bright, blinding highlight? I don't want to hear any men in the comments talking about, I don't like a girl that we don't care. We are not doing makeup for you. I regret to inform you that save those opinions for your podcast. Thank you very much. But if you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out so much. If you haven't subscribed, I need you to do that for me. Share this. Share my channel. Share something. Because as soon as we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm doing a big giveaway, and I'm not going to wait. I'm not. I'm going to gather everything. We might show everything, or we might just do like a big box. I know I'm going to hit it by the end of this year. That's not even a thing. So if I can get the giveaway out by Christmas time, I'll even wrap it all pretty. I'm like a Christmas elf, y'all. I'm not a rapper though, but I am. So make sure you go ahead and do what you need to do, because 95% of my viewers are not subscribed, and that's kind of weird. It is. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.